Hey y'all, I know this has taken me forever, but I have put together some clearance matchups for us. So if you're interested in some of the free things we can get at Dollar General during the clearance event, then just keep watching. And if you're new here, why don't you consider subscribing? I sure would love to have you. Just click subscribe, hit that bell, set it to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. Alright y'all, so this video is going to go over the clearance event, and this has been going on since Friday, but your girl has not felt very well, and I've had tons of family stuff going on, so I just haven't been able to give this the attention it deserves. So, this is going on through Thursday, the 22nd. We get an extra half off, and let's look at some of the things we can get for free and cheap. Y'all, we've got $1 cash back on Purex crystals. These just so happen to be on clearance during the event for an extra half off, and they are just $1.63. So after that cash back, it will be like you paid 63 cents. Got $1.05 off of Gain laundry detergent. We can grab the big old Giganzo Gain for $8.53 right now. After that coupon, we will pay $7.48. And I do have the UPC. Got this $2 off Nivea coupon. We have got the Nivea cream on clearance for $2.63, so we will pay 63 cents after the coupon. We've got a earn $2 cashback offer when you buy 2 Ivory deodorant. These are on clearance right now for $2 each, so buying 2, it'll be $4. After that discount, we will pay $2 for 2. $1 off of Old Spice body wash or deodorant, and we can grab the Old Spice Steel Titan deodorant for $3.20 right now. We will pay $2.20 after the coupon. Got $5 off any 3 Colgate toothpaste, toothbrush, or mouthwash. Right now, the Colgate Total toothpaste is on clearance, so if we grab 3 of those, it'll be $7.71. After the $5 digital, we'll pay $2.71. We've got $3 off any 1 Colgate Total Plaque Pro Release. This one is on clearance for $3, so it'll be free after the coupon. Now, I don't have the UPC for this one. I am so very sorry, but just be scanning those toothpaste in that clearance aisle. $6 off any 2 Axe body sprays or deodorant. We can grab 2 of the Axe Phoenix. It'll be $5.15. After that $6 digital, it'll usually adjust down to where you just get it for free. But if you should so happen to have an old system store, you're going to get 85 cents in overage. Got $1 off any 1 Raid product. We can grab the Raid Max Dry Fogger and just pay $3.77 after the coupon. Got $2 off 1 Dove Men Plus Care deodorant. We can grab the Extra Fresh scent, or I think they have like Alfresco. They are $3.15, so after our coupon, we're going to pay $1.15. $2 off 1 Arm & Hammer liquid laundry detergent. Right now, we can get the large laundry detergent with OxyClean. Now, this is a newer bottle, so be looking for the old one. We will pay just $3.63 after that coupon. Or we have got a earn $5 cashback offer, and it'll make it just 63 cents after we get that cash back. We've got $2 off the Swiffer refills. We can grab the heavy duty for $4.50, so we're going to pay just $2.50 after the coupon. Got $1 off of Olay body wash or bar soap. We can grab the 6-pack of the Rosewater Olay soap for $3.75, and we'll pay $2.75 after the coupon. $2 off 1 Cascade Platinum Plus. This one's on clearance for $7.65, so after our coupon, we're going to pay $5.65. Got $1.25 off 1 Always liners. We can go ahead and grab these in the extra long 36 count for $2.80. We're going to pay just $1.55 after our coupon. Got earn 25 cents cash back on Sweetheart's ropes. We can grab the Tangy strawberry ropes for $1.03 on clearance. After the cashback, it'll be like we paid 78 cents. $1 off one Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. We have got the 6 packs on clearance for $2.47, so we'll pay $1.47. $2 off one Dove body wash. We can grab the Dove antibacterial soap. It is also attaching. These are $3.60. We're going to pay just $1.60 for the antibacterial after coupon. Now remember this $2 off Arm & Hammer coupon that we used earlier on the Gigunzo bottle? Well, you can also use it on this little bottle. It's going to be $1.80 right now, so if you have an old system store, that's going to be 20 cents in overage, or new system stores, it's just going to be free. Alright y'all, we've got $3 off any one Finish dishwasher detergent. We can grab this 28 pack of the Finish Ultimate for $4.50. We'll pay just $1.50 after our coupon. $2 off an Aveeno Baby product. We can grab the Aveeno Baby Eczema Therapy for $4.77. After that $2 digital, we will pay $2.77. $1.50 off Playtex OB tampons or Carefree liners. We can grab the Playtex Sport tampons for $3.17. We'll pay just $1.67 after the coupon. $2 off any one Clean and Clear product. We can grab the Clean and Clear Essential Moisturizer for $3 on clearance. We will pay just $1 after our coupon. At $3 off one CoverGirl face product. We can grab the CoverGirl Clean Powder for $2.53. So it's going to be absolutely free after the coupon, or 47 cents overage at an old system store, should you still have one. Y'all, we've got $1.50 off any Sally Hansen nail polish. Now we do have several on clearance in different colors. These will be absolutely free after our coupon. $1 off any one Clorox brand product. Right now our liquid plumber is on clearance for $2.47, so we're going to pay just $1.47 after our coupon. We've got $1 off one Oral Glide floss. This is on clearance right now for $1.90, so after that coupon, we will pay 90 cents. And we have got $4 off any 2 Degree or Dove. So we can grab 2 of the Degree men's. This is the 2 travel size ones. It'll be $4.10. After we get that $4 off, we're going to pay just 10 cents for 2 travel deodorant. Alright y'all, that is it for this video. Again, I am so sorry it took me so long to get this out. It has just been crazy here with kids, with sickness, just with everything. So I apologize and I thank you very, very much for watching. Alright y'all, if you don't mind, leave this a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, thumbs down if you didn't, share with a friend, and leave a comment so I can thank you for watching. Alright y'all, I wish you the best of luck out there finding them pennies, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye guys!